The Bernoulli's formula u v1 alternate plus and minus. First you write u, integrate v. Okay. Then next minus. Now differentiate this u dash v2 plus then u double dash second derivative and integrate the next one. Integrate this. Keep integrating the v. The function v you keep integrating and keep differentiating u. So next will be u triple dash v4. It goes on like this. Exercise 9.4. First one is integral 0 to 1 x cube into e power minus 2x dx. This is Bernoulli's formula. This is an extension of the integration by parts. So you have learned integration by parts. uv minus integral v du. This is the integration by parts. Here you have to choose the functions u and v. So there is a format, there is a method to choose. So there will be two functions. You can see there are two functions, isn't it? One function you have to choose as u, the other one as v. So to choose that, we follow this pattern, ILATE. I stands for inverse. I is inverse, inverse functions. If there is an inverse function in the question, that will be the u. If there is no inverse function, the next is log. If there is a logarithmic function, take that as u. If there is no log, next is algebraic function. You have done this last year. Algebraic function, take it as u. Next is trigonometry. The next last is exponential. So this is the order in which you should choose your u. The first preference is for inverse, second log, third algebraic, fourth trigonometry, and then exponential. So if you see here, your u will be, see algebra, u is x cube is algebraic function, right? U is x cube is algebraic function. So take that as u. So u is x cube. Okay. Then and so that is algebraic. Choose u first using this order. Then the remaining, that e power minus 2x dx, take it as dv. Okay. Now, so now what we should do here, we have to first, the formula is integral 0 to 1 x cube e power minus 2x dx. First write u as it is. You have chosen u and dv. Now you need not write this dv at all. Just choose u. Now write u as it is. Just look at the formula, Bernoulli's formula, u. So write u as it is. Then integrate this. What is the integration of e power minus 2x? It is e power minus 2x. The coefficient of x is minus 2. So divide by minus 2. So first write x cube, then integrate the second function, e power minus 2x by minus 2. The formula is then minus. Okay. Now differentiate this. X cube is 3x square. Integrate this again. So what will you get? E power minus 2x by minus 2. Already one minus 2 is there. So this will become plus 4. Then next is plus, alternate plus minus. Differentiate this. So this will become 6x. Then integrate this. So e power minus 2x by minus 2. The coefficient of x is minus 2. Already that 4 is there. So it will become minus 8. Now minus, differentiate this. 6. Integrate this. E power minus 2x by minus 2. It will become 16. After that, when you differentiate, this will become 0. The differentiation of a constant is 0. So you can just stop here. So that's the answer. So this is Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's formula is choose u. First you take u, the other function take it as v. First u as it is. Don't differentiate u. integrate the second element, second is v, integrate this. Okay, then differentiate, integrate like that. So that is the Bernoulli's formula. So now we can simplify this. You can take out that e power minus 2x out, is common everywhere. So you get minus x cube by 2 minus 3 by 4 x square minus, you can cancel this, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So minus 3 by 4 x minus 8. So minus 3 by 8. You have to apply the limit because the limit is given here. The limit is 0 to 1. So first apply the upper limit. So you will get e power minus 2x is 1. Upper limit is 1. So e power minus 2. Then put everywhere 1. Wherever you have x, put 1. So minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Substituting x as 1. Minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8. This is the upper limit. Minus the lower limit. What will be the lower limit? Put x is 0. So you get e power x is 0. So e power 0. X is 0. All these terms will become 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. You get 1 minus 3 by 8. There is no x here. So that will become minus 3 by 8. So that is equal to e power minus 2. Take the LCM. LCM is 8. 2 into 4 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 minus 3. E power 0 value is 1. So plus minus into minus plus 3 by 8. So this is equal to e power minus 2 minus 19 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So that's the answer. 3 by 8. You can write 3 by 8 first minus 19 by 8 e power minus 2. Bernoulli's formula is nothing but is an extension of the this is integration by parts.